channel and like this video to get them on time.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
As coin engineers, today we are at the Istanbul Blockchain Economy Summit.
We came to this summit, my teammate, and I want to ask why we came here.
Because Turkey's crypto enthusiastic people are here, and this is the best way to make network. And now we are getting inside. Come with us. This is the main entrance of the hall. The area outside is the best to meet new people in my experience because everyone in here is available to speak and the place is less noisy. And now we are inside the building. Let's show you the area. Hi again from the second day of Blockchain Economy Summit Istanbul. There are so many people inside the hall as day one, but it's not a minus. Seeing that lots of people actually cares about crypto and attends physical events is making us happy, but even this is an early stage. In Turkey, 25% of the population who has internet connection has investment in crypto. Other countries has even less statistics as in Turkey. Thinking that nearly 100% of the population is using fiat currencies all around the world, imagine the difference when crypto really goes mainstream. And now let's get back to our main topic. The next event will be in Dubai, and if you are going to join it, feel free to leave a comment or DM us from the social media that you use. We may meet and speak there if you will join. Lots of crypto exchanges and projects open their booths in the hall, both new and old ones. Let's move on, and here you can see the Gary Tokens booth. To be honest, their booth is the most interactive one. They even have a game where you try to collect fallen tokens by moving. And if you score more than 70, they reward you with a power bank, which is a needed tool if you are spending lots of time with your electronic devices like us. Let's walk further to see the other projects. Here is Owner Wallet. They are a special crypto wallet which gives you a prepaid card to spend your crypto like you are spending fiat money. And Deepcoin gives you $30 bonus if you register right now, which you can spend on trading, but you can only withdraw your profit. Right next to it, we can see Gate.io, which is an old and great exchange lies in our hearts. And here we can see Fitburn. It's a move-to-earn project which rewards you with cal tokens at the amount of calories you've burned. Speech Room is at our right, but we will not enter it right now. At the left side there is another project called Mega X, which offers a crypto wallet, NFT marketplace, staking options and much more. And here is the biggest and most crowded place of the summit. You can find biggest exchanges booths here. Speaking of the exchanges, Kucoin, Gate.io and BitGet is the biggest ones in here. Zignally project invites us to upstairs. Now you will watch our interview with them.
Hi coin engineers.
And welcome to our channel. Today we are with the Zignally project and ask some questions that you are wondering.
introduce yourself?
Sure. I'm Abdul Rafiq Edit. I'm the co-founder and CFO at Zignally.com.
Okay.
And our second question is, what is Zignally and which problem does it solve?
Sure. So Zignally is a social trading platform. The purpose of Zignally is to provide fair finance and the financial freedom for everyone. We already have a marketplace which we aim to improve that connects the fund managers with the retail investors. The idea is that the retail investors should be able to invest in the high performing funds using very small capital and without going into too much deep research about everything. They can use the platform statistics about the investors, pick the profitable ones, invest in them, and save a lot of time and still make a lot of passive income out of it.
Thanks.
Thank you. And I want to ask a third question. What is your latest update?
Sure. So today we are very excited to launch Profit Sharing 2.0, which is a hallmark product of Zignally.com. We have been working on it for last 12 months almost. This basically functionality gives a lot of new options to the expert traders. For example, they will be able to trade on Zignally using the APIs. From the investor perspective, the hard disk connection is now available. And most importantly, this Profit Sharing 2.0 will serve as a base for our DeFi version that we announced last month, and it is going to roll out within the next few months as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks for answering our questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also more content about Zignally is on the way.
Thank you.
Now guys, we are learning the latest updates on ecosystem for you.
People came here from more than 70 countries, and the latest updates, the latest projects are in here. Now we are talking with them and we are creating the best content for you. Follow our channel and like this video to get them on time.